What's going on YouTube? Welcome to the vlog. We are currently in Eureka, California, and we're gonna make our way up the whole coast today. Why are you tripping?
Because you smacked Dad had a new car and I'm not going in your vlog.
I smacked Daddy on my car?
No, what?
Is it too early for this?
It's way too early for this.
So yeah, like I said, we're in Eureka. We're gonna make our way up the whole coast to Portland. Do you know how far that is, babe? Can you check? 1,000 hours?
Portland?
1,000 miles? It's gonna be freaking an insane drive, and it's gonna be insane views. I have the drone with me. I bought a charger. I forgot to return the charger. I bought a brand new charger from DJI, and it's like $120 for this thing because I forgot my Spokane, and I totally forgot to return it. Oh well. So yeah, sit back, enjoy the vlog. It's gonna be a good one.
Before you start taking off, can you pull right back in?
Why? I know where to go. I don't know why you're tripping. Enjoy the vlog.
It's too wide. No, I would just back up straight.
I know you would, but I don't wanna.
Babe, you're gonna regret it when you curb your wheels.
Okay, so on this drive home, I figured I'd provide you guys with a little bit of valuable information. I'm gonna tell you guys 5 things that I absolutely love about the FRS, PRZ, GT86, cars, the chassis, whatever you want to call it. Alright, the first thing that I absolutely love about the FRSs is the gas mileage. I just think it's really freaking good gas mileage. I have 12.5 inch wide wheels on the car, on the rear right now, and can you get my average? On this trip, as we're coming back from California, I'm averaging 27 miles per gallon. Granted, that is highway. There's a little bit of city driving in there as well, but mainly all highway. 27 miles a gallon. Stock, I think I was getting around 30 on the highway. Going down, I was seeing like 30 as well. I don't know why I'm getting worse. It's probably because Bobby's driving. She likes to go really, really fast. So that's definitely the first thing I like about the FRSs and BRGs. They are super light cars, so they're getting good gas mileage no matter what. The second thing I like about these cars is how well they turn. Probably sounds really weird, but if you've driven an Evo before, especially the Evo 10s, you know that they don't turn at all. The turning radius is terrible on them. This car turns so freaking sharp. I think it's the same as my STI was. It's probably a really weird thing to say, but that's just something I really like about this car as well. Coming back from like the Evo, going from the Evo to this car, something I notice a lot is the turning radius. Okay, number 3. I'm gonna have to go with like how they look, how everything like performs for how much they cost. These cars are pretty cheap. Or I think you can get one for like $15,000. You get insane handling from the factory. They handle so freaking good. They look really freaking good stock, and they. What else, babe?
What else?
Help me out here. I don't know. I feel like you get a lot of value for the amount of money you pay. And they're a newer car. They started making these in 2013, so it's always gonna be a newer car. Parts are gonna be cheap because Toyota, Subaru, and Scion sell the same car, so you can interchange everything. So parts are gonna be cheap. Yeah, it's just, let's wrap it up right there. That's good. Like, you get a lot of value for the money. Aftermarket part world for this thing. There's a better word that I can't think of right now, but there's so many aftermarket parts available for these cars for cheap too. The aftermarket part world for this thing is huge. You can get so many parts. There's so many different wide bodies. There's Rybacker, there's Forest, there's Rocket Bunny. Holy shit, babe! Slow down, slow down, slow down. Slow down. Ooh, that could have been bad. And then, like, for performance-wise as not even, it doesn't have to do with the car. It's the community around the 86 world. I feel like it's a very tight niche or niche, whatever you want to call it. Niche. Cam calls it niche. I call it niche. How do you call it?
Group?
Yeah. Like there's a very tight group around this world, and it's freaking awesome. Like I feel like everyone tries to help everybody out when building their cars, except for wheel specs, which I've always thought that's kind of weird. Like people that are wide bodied, they never want to give their wheel specs out. But I will be making a video, like Bobby mentioned just a second ago. I've met so many dope people, so many people I now call friends through the 86 community, and it's been freaking awesome. It's been so incredible, especially through YouTube, through Instagram. Like all the whole community in general has just been insane since I got this car. So that's definitely the fifth thing I like the most about the 86s. That doesn't even have anything to do with the car, like I said. Just the community around them is absolutely awesome. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video right here. Really hope you enjoyed it. If there's anything you think I missed, ooh, homeboy in the G35 is ripping out here. Anything you think I missed, if you have a FRS or B or Z yourself, and you think there's anything I missed, go ahead and drop it down in the comment section below. Really appreciate that. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button right up in the corner up there. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in tomorrow's video.